Welcome to another Tech Tips channel. How are you? At the beginning of the year 2020, due to the coronavirus pandemic, many countries implementing movement control order. Same in Malaysia, we are starting the MCO since March. During MCO everything is closed, including school, child care center, factory, government office, private office and etc. Since then, everyone is work from home, while children and kids having online classes. Everyone since then relies on the video conference software. There are kinds of video conference software in the market. Some of the most common like Zoom, Skype, and Google Meet. I prefer Google Meet, because it is really convenient for me to schedule my meeting. And also, since Google Meet launched in April 2020, there are many features has been enhanced. If you are interested in the Google Meet features, leave me a comment, and I will share it in the next video. For today, I'm going to share with you how to use Google Calendar and Google Meet to schedule a video conference session. And inviting other audience to join your meeting, by just a few clicks on your smartphone. Let's start now. Before we schedule the video conference in Google Calendar, make sure you have installed the Google Meet app. In the Google Calendar, click the plus button to add a new event. Enter a title for the event. Let's name this event as brainstorming. Then, set the event date and time. Let's set the event at 25 July, from 9:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Next, add people to join the brainstorming video conference. After finished add people, let's proceed the next input. Take note, if Google Meet is installed, then it will auto-select it here. You may also able to enter the location for the conference, since we are creating a video conference, so I skip the location input. I may also set the reminder here. We may also able to change the event color. This color will be displayed in your Google Calendar. Next, enter a description for the event. Once everything is complete, let's add the event by tap on the Save button. As the event is saved, Google Calendar will ask to send the invitation emails to all the guests. Hooray! We have just complete to schedule our brainstorming video conference session. Let's check it in Google Meet app. Swipe up to check all the scheduled video conference. Found the brainstorming session. We may check the guest list here. And also, we may add more people to join the session by sharing the meeting info. We may share the meeting via sending the meeting's link, or sharing via email, or sharing by other apps like WeChat or WhatsApp. It is very simple, right? Hope this video is helping you. We end here today. If you found my video is helping, please support me by like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you guys at the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.